Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the secrets hidden in plain sight within corporate filings. Today, we're diving into some business deal news, and let me tell you, it's not just about buying and selling companies, it's about growth, strategy, and sometimes a really big number. Alright, let's get straight into it. Worthington Enterprises Incorporated has just announced a significant acquisition. Think of it as Worthington Enterprises adding a new piece to its already established puzzle, specifically within their building products segment. This move is designed to expand their reach and capabilities. If you're looking for the latest scoop on corporate maneuvers, you've come to the right place. And before we deep dive, if you appreciate getting these insights explained in plain English, make sure you're subscribed. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below where we discuss these findings in more detail. So, Worthington Enterprises Incorporated, or WER as they are traded on the New York Stock Exchange, has officially bought LSI Group Incorporated and its subsidiaries. They got this company from a seller named Baker Group Holdings Incorporated. This wasn't a small purchase either. The deal was for around $205 million. With a few potential adjustments and a bonus payment related to taxes that could add up to another $3 million. Worthington is funding this acquisition using their available cash and some money they borrowed from their credit lines. This tells us they are confident in their financial health and their ability to manage debt. Now, why is this acquisition important? It's all about their building product segment. This means Worthington Enterprises is likely looking to strengthen its position in supplying materials or services for the construction industry. Acquisitions like this are a classic growth strategy. Instead of building new capabilities from scratch, which takes a lot of time and resources, companies can buy another established business to quickly gain market share, new technology, or access to new customers. Think of it like buying a well-built house instead of trying to build one yourself from the ground up. To make sure everyone heard the news, Worthington Enterprises also put out a press release on the same day, the 16th of January, announcing this deal. This is standard practice to keep investors and the public informed. Now, the company is being careful to say that this press release and the information in this report is not considered filed in a way that could get them in trouble if something in it isn't perfectly accurate under certain sections of securities law. Like Section 18, this is a bit of legal housekeeping, basically saying they are providing the information but not guaranteeing it with the same strict liability as other parts of their filings. It's important to note that this doesn't mean the information isn't true. Just that they are trying to manage their legal exposure. This means the press release they issued is the primary source of communication about this acquisition, and it's attached as an exhibit to this report. So, if you want to read their official statement about the deal, you can check out that exhibit. The core story here is the acquisition itself and how it fits into Worthington's overall strategy. They are actively pursuing growth by acquiring other businesses, and this particular deal aims to bolster their building products division. We don't have the specific financial details of LSI Group Incorporated within this particular filing, but the price tag of $205 million gives us a good sense of the scale of the transaction. This is a significant investment for Worthington Enterprises, so they clearly believe this acquisition will pay off in the long run. Let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture here. Worthington Enterprises is a diversified industrial manufacturer. They operate in a few different areas, and by acquiring LSI Group, they are clearly doubling down on their building products segment. This makes sense in a world where infrastructure and construction projects are always ongoing. They are spending significant cash and using credit, which shows a degree of financial leverage. This can accelerate growth, but it also means they need to ensure the acquired business performs well to cover the costs and generate a return on investment. Looking at this from a Warren Buffett perspective, we're seeing a company making a strategic acquisition to strengthen a core business segment. The key questions for investors will be, how well does LSI Group integrate into Worthington Enterprises? Will the claimed synergies and growth opportunities materialize? And can they effectively manage the increased debt load used to finance the deal? The reported purchase price of $205 million suggests they see substantial value, and it will be fascinating to watch how this larger entity performs in the coming quarters. In conclusion, Worthington Enterprises is making a bold move to expand its building product segment with a substantial acquisition. This is a clear signal of their growth ambitions. The success of this deal will hinge on effective integration and LSI Group's ability to contribute positively to Worthington's overall performance. We'll be keeping a close eye on their future financial reports to see if this strategic acquisition pays off. What's your take on this deal? Do you think Worthington Enterprises made a smart move? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If this breakdown was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more of these corporate deep dives. And don't forget to join our Discord community for more detailed discussions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next decode.